Hello and welcome to Hindustan Times Digital. My name is Aditya and today in this video we are going to look at the Samsung Galaxy M40. This smartphone comes with triple rear cameras, octa-core processor and a front camera. So let's unbox this phone and see what's inside it. So let's get started with the unboxing of the Galaxy M40. So as you can see, this is the box over here and it has the Samsung's M40 phone right in front of us. We can actually see the design of the front display. It has a punch hole design which has the front camera, and it looks quite modern in terms of design. And at the back you have all the features which basically details in terms of what you get inside the phone. So you have this octa-core Snapdragon 675 processor which is powering this phone. This is a 6GB RAM variant which gets 128GB storage, further expandable using the micro SD card slot. And then you have the triple rear cameras, front camera, fast charging battery support is there, and then you have a nice full tall screen, full HD resolution combined with that. So yeah, so now let's step inside the box and see what we have. So as you can see, we have this phone over here neatly wrapped inside this physical thing, and now we unwrap this up, and this is basically the phone. So we've got a blue variant with us, and as you can see, it has triple rear cameras at the back, and yeah, I mean that's basically what the phone is about. Apart from this, you have the black color adapter which gets a USB port which basically lets you charge the device. You also have this cable over here with Type-C support, and you can use it to charge the phone as well as transfer data between two devices. And in addition to this, you have the headphone jack as well. So what you get is a USB port enabled headphone which you can use, plug into this phone and use it to listen to music, to listen to radio, and so on and so forth. So basically it gives you a wired music experience on the go. And apart from that, you have the SIM ejector pin as well. And so yeah, I mean that's basically about the unboxing of this phone, and you have all the details. So that's the Samsung Galaxy M40. As you can see with the unboxing of this device, you get a host of accessories. You've got this fast charging adapter here which supports USB cable with the port. You have the USB Type-C cable which is used to transfer data as well as charging, and you also get bundled earphones inside it which supports USB Type-C port, but you can actually use it on the phone quite easily. And you have a blue variant basically here with triple rear cameras and a punch hole design for the front camera on the front, a tall screen profile, and a modern design which attracts buyers in the market these days. So this is the Samsung Galaxy 40. For more videos, check out hindustantimes.com.